In this video, I'll run through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Marketing Cloud emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to build a new email in Salesforce. We select Content Builder from where we select to create a new email template. From the template options, you can select from basic, themed, or saved. We'll be using a basic template. We can now see our template in the editor. Next, we locate the HTML block in the basic content block area. We drag this HTML block into position within the template, where we wish our video to be featured. We now save this work and name the template. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting a file from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. We now choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our Salesforce template. We return to our Salesforce template in Content Builder. Paste the HTML snippet into the HTML pane. Our video content is now in position within our template. We select the mobile preview to view how our video email plays on mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for sending. Thanks for watching. For more details on the free unlimited trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.